In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use ClickUp Forms for product intake requests. By the end, you'll know step-by-step how to set up an efficient, professional intake form that keeps your incoming projects organized and makes your team's workflow smoother, and you won't have to wrestle with complex tools or start from scratch. Let's dive right in. The first thing we're going to do is create a project intake form. Now you could build one from the ground up, but let's make things super easy, especially if you're short on time or just want something that looks polished right out of the box. ClickUp actually provides a free template for this exact purpose, and I highly recommend using it for your first form. Not only does it save you time, but it also ensures you're not missing any key fields you might need later. Alright, once you're in your team space, that's the main area where you organize tasks and projects in ClickUp. Look for the little plus button. Think of it as your gateway to adding new tools and features, and don't worry if you haven't noticed it before. It's designed to be simple and accessible. Click on that, and from the menu, select the Form option. This is where you can create a brand new form for just about any purpose. At this stage, ClickUp will give you two choices: start from scratch or use a template. For this tutorial, let's select the Project Intake template. When you choose this, ClickUp automatically puts together a form with all the fundamental fields you'd expect for collecting new project requests. This includes fields like the project name, details about the project, priority level, and even a handy section for attachments. It's kind of like ordering a sandwich with all the perfect fillings already packed inside. You can just dig in or tweak it to suit your taste. Now, customization is where you can make the form truly your own. Let's say you want to ask for a specific deadline or add a field about the department requesting the project. You can easily add, remove, or rearrange fields to match what your team actually needs. This flexibility is super helpful because every team and company has its quirks, and your form should reflect that. If you ever feel like something's missing or cluttered, just adjust it until it feels right. Take a moment here to make the form look and feel how you want. Your future self will thank you when requests come in neat and structured. Once your form is set up, click on the Preview option. It's always good practice to double-check how everything looks before sharing the form with others. This preview shows you exactly what your submitters will see, so you can ensure there are no confusing questions or formatting issues. If anything seems off, just pop back into Edit. This is your chance to catch little mistakes before they go public. Finally, when you're happy with how the form looks, toggle the Published setting to make the form live. Don't worry if it takes a second to load. You'll get a unique link you can copy. Share this link wherever you need, whether it's in an email, a Slack channel, or embedded on your company intranet. That's really all there is to it. Your intake process is now streamlined, and your team's requests will flow through one simple hub. And that's a wrap on setting up a project intake request form in ClickUp. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and drop me a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials on making your work more organized and productive. Thanks for watching. See you next time.